So I need to now doing for the in Web2 script only different thing like we need to log in application Jojo Bean. Okay, login. After that, we have the options will be there, right? See, these all book tickets. You need to cancel means you can cancel all. Otherwise, you can select anything. You can cancel. Checked. What are the checked? You need to cancel. So this scenario also you guys can do for the recording. Right now I'm checking. You guys also do same thing. You can check all. So this much of flights we are booked. Cancel. Now I cancel, right? So now we can do what we can do. Our scenario I'm telling. So just click on flights and select departure and arrive and click on continue and enter details. And continue. So ticket booking is completed. You need to book another ticket. See, please follow the business flow. This is a business flow and click on book another ticket. And now I'm selecting this one and select the flight and enter details. And this is also you need to give for details. Okay, cut it. So book ticket completed, right? So I need to cancel ticket. One ticket I want to cancel. Go to the itinerary is there, right? You can go to the itinerary and select one ticket and cancelled, checked. So it is a cancelled sign off. So like this, you need to prepare one script. You can record the script. Business flow, understand, right? Shaker?
Yes. 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 Yes.
So this will be you can do for the scripting and if you are facing any issues and everything we can see. And one more thing for this you can handle for the how to do for the correlation values and same to the do for the parameterization and for try with the different type of like you need to try with 3-4 iterations. You can give for the username password details as a 3 and try with the 3 iterations and how the behavior it is going, it is canceling successfully or not. You need to go to the application and you need to log in which value you are using. For example, I done for the user bean only, right? Once the scripting also done, you can go to here, you can click on itinerary and check if it is a deleted or not. If it is not deleted, your script is not worked successfully. So we need check for the front end also. Sometimes we are booked the ticket also. We need check means we can go to here and you can check in itinerary also. Okay. Ashwini, understand, right? Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Sriram.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, this is another URL.
Sorry?
This is another URL.
No, same URL only. So URL will
Same
be same.
URL.
URL will be
Okay.
same. Just what I am doing, just after that, I'm booking the flight and I'm canceling the ticket. We have the option will be there, right? Here, see, I'm logging now again. Login will be there, right? After login, you can see itinerary is there. You can click on that one. If you want delete mint, you can select and delete. So this everything you can do when script oriented. Once script is done, you can once replay that script and you come to itinerary, it is deleted successfully or not, you need to check. Got it, right? So now today we can discuss with the functions. We have the many functions in our tool. Okay, so we need to check with the we have the functions like web functions and LR functions and web functions will be there. So we need to check for the what is the LR functions, what are the, and each and everyone we need to explain. Oh, view step toolbox. So we can observe this is the LR abort. We have that these are all different functions. So if anyone asks for the, do you know for the any LR functions, web functions means, first thing we need to observe for in our script. After that, we'll see for the new ones. See, everyone able to see LR start transaction. Which purpose we can using for the LR start transaction, LR end transactions? Anyone guess? LR start transaction, LR end transactions. Which purpose we are using?
Where we can start our script or
So LR start transaction, end transaction, we can using for the measure the particular response time of the this space or transaction response time. To measure this transaction, we are giving for the LR start transaction, end transaction. Okay. So just what is the syntax means LR underscore start underscore transaction, and transaction name we need to give for the transaction name. LR end transaction means transaction name, and we can give as a LR auto. LR auto nothing but the statement we write after the request is the LR auto, that is the end transactions. So and we'll see for the one more LR function here. Everyone able to see LR think time. What is think time, Krishna?
Related between the two action think times. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Related between the two action think times.
Related between, huh? Sorry.
Related between.
Delay na.
Deleted between.
Not
Related.
delay between the two transactions and
Delay, okay,
two
sir.
actions. So delay between the actions, it is called as the think time. So for example, how it is work means, see, for example, I am logging, after that I'm booking the flight. So I am good in typing, so I will do for the very fast. But someone will doing for the some, it will be take flight. So for this is the delay between, it is called as a think time. So what is the think time function?
LR underscore think underscore time.
Yes. And we have the like okay, I think in script we'll see for this only. So after that we'll see for the LR abort. LR abort, what is that, Krishna? So LR
again,
abort
sir.
nothing but this function used for, can use for the script abort purpose, means particular scenario we need to abort, so we can use as a LR abort. If it is we need to end for the entire scenario, like every iteration, we need to use for the LR exit. See, everyone able to see LR exit. This is the LR abort and LR exit. Abort means it will be abort. Exit means it will exit for the script. Exit is the iteration or action. Okay. in material will be there, each and every one. You can go with that one and you can see. And one more thing, we have the LR save string will be there. So save string nothing but I need to save the value, normal value to load runner variable. So I will open Notepad. I think Ashwin is not there. So LR underscore save underscore strn string. Everyone able to see, right? String. So just I'm saving for the variable, like in our normal variable to load runner variable. So at that time we can use for the LR save string. This is syntax. For example, our variable will be ABC, and I am saving to the load runner variable XYZ. So it assign a value to a LR variable. We can use for the which function? LR save string.
Save string.
LR save on.
Okay. Next will be LR evolve string.
Hello,
Yes.
Shram, can you explain LR save string
LR.
again? Save string.
Okay. Okay.
In what purpose we are using?
Yeah, for example, we are doing for the anything, we are writing any some different code, like I'm saving for the one variable I declared as a ABC. So that variable will be in int ABC I declared, but that will be I need to save as a load runner variable, because of for this in our load runner is not understand for the our current variable. So we need convert to that variable in a our load runner variable. We need to write for the function as a LR save string. So then what will happen is it assign a value to the LR variable. Okay. And next one will be LR evolve string. LR evolve string means it evaluate the values after embedding parameter, it reads the value. Means I need to read that some value. So we need to write for the function like LR evolve string, and we need to pass it as a variable name, like for example, we are doing for the departure, right? Departure. Okay, so just I want to read this value, then we need to give for the LR evolve string. When we are read that value, particular value, means it will read and it will display as a some departure is equal to some value. So at the time it will read purpose, we can use a LR evolve string. Next will be LR paramaram random. LR underscore paramaram underscore random means it generate the random values from array. We can use for that situation. Just now we discussed, right, Shekhar? This is for the LR underscore random.
In parameter, I think double R is there. Is correct, or function only same?
Sorry?
In param, double R is there. Can you check it?
Yeah, double R will be there. Not paramari. That is not param. Paramara.
Okay.
Okay. So that is a random function, and for that we need to write for the some like departure. So now just I am giving for this to LR save string and LR evolve string. I will give for the one example for using for these two. And now you can understand for that how we can use for the LR save string and LR this thing also. So now we need to write for the we have the true drop-downs, departure and arrive. So this is the departure will be, this is for the normal variable, like it is not a load runner variable. So we need to save this variable to the load runner variable. So what we can do means we need to write for the LR save string. We need to write for like this LR save string. Okay. And we need to write for the after that we are where we can saving this value using for the LR parameter random. Using the LR param random, we are saving this value to the some our load runner variable as a rand s. Rand s. So in this situation, we can use for the LR save string, means LR param random value is a departure, but I need to save this departure value will be there Denver. Okay, this value I need to save into the our load runner variable. I am giving as a load runner value is a rand s. So it will save to the rand s. Understand, right? So same thing you need to give for the LR save string. And here I am giving for the array and rand v. Rand a. Okay. Rand d. We can give as a d means departure, a means array, rand a. So for this situation, we can use for the depends on the situation when we are saving to the normal variable to the load runner variable. So at that situation, we can use for the LR save string. LR random when we use means we need to capture the values randomly. At that time, we can use for the random. One more thing. LR underscore save underscore date time. This is the one of the LR function to for us. So for that LR save date and time, what will happen means it assign the current date and time to a parameter. So what is syntax means? So we need to write for the syntax. So like we need to give for the format, which format we are giving. For example, I'm giving the percentage m nothing but month, and after that I will different with slash, and will give for the percentage d nothing but date, and slash and percentage and y means year. And year. And after that, I want for the time also. So at that time where we can calculate hours. And what will give for the colon and percentage m nothing but minutes, and colon and percentage seconds, percentage second will give for the, so like this, and we need to give for the comma, and current date means we'll give for the date underscore date now. Date underscore now. Just this is the syntax of this one. We need to write for the syntax of this. We can write like this. Current date. So what will happen? It is saving to the save and date time into the percentage m nothing but month, date, year, and hours will calculating hours, minutes, seconds, and which date is printing date now means today is what is the date. We need to save to the, that is the current date. This is the save and date and time. Okay. And for example, we need to, this is a one more thing. See, just they will ask for the interview questions. Do you know for the any LR functions? So first thing we need to tell for the LR start transaction and transaction, which purpose we can use. We can measure for the transaction response time. We can using for the LR start transaction and transaction. What is save string? When we are save the normal variable to the load runner variable, we need to use for the LR save string, LR parameter random. We'll generate for the random values. When we capture the randomly, then we can use for the LR parameter random value. LR save string date and time. When we capture the current date, we need to use for the date and time parameterization. And apart from this, we have the LR underscore DB connect will be there. DB connect means we need to connect DB means we can use for this function, LR DB connect, and we need to disconnect means LR underscore DB and disconnect. Means we need to connect any DB, so we can use for these two functions. See, LR DB connect means it connects to the database with the help of the connection statements. So, and LR DB disconnects means it disconnects from the database. And one more thing will be LR continuum error. LR underscore continuum on error. So particular transaction, we need to, an error will be there. We need to script on this of the option to contain a syntax like LR continuum error means no option. We are not giving any option. What will happen? It will continue for the script. If it is a fail also, the script will be continue with the next transaction also. So if you not given LR continuum error, what will happen? So for example, we are mistake done in correlation. We are positing is LB and RB is wrong. So what will happen? That will be fail that place only. But when you are placed as LR continuum error in that place, if it is a fail also, it will next transaction also it will execute successfully. For that situation, we can use for the LR continuum error. And one more thing, LR output message, LR underscore output message. Output message. So nothing but I want to capture any value in display in our output. Just we need to write for the double colon. You can write anything, whatever India means, it will display for the India. So we want to display for the output message. The purpose we can use for the LR output message. LR error message also will be there. We need to capture for the any messages. So we can use for the LR error message means we want to the particular message also. We will print what is the message. So it will get display as a LR message. So LR message. LR error message means sends an error message with the location details to the output windows and the log files and other test report summaries. Means if it is a failing error, it will send to the error. What is the error? That particular error and where each location it is getting, and in log files where it is there, and it will send to the report. Okay. So like this, we have the different functions in LR functions. You guys can search in our document and you can read it and you can learn, okay, these things, okay.
Sriram, commonly we are using these functions only.
Yeah, commonly we can
Build.
use for these functions only: LR save string, LR pararandom, LR save string, LR output. And maybe if we need to connect a DB point of view, means we can using for the LR DB connect, LR exit, LR abort. So these things we can use for the common functions, for depends on the requirement.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm stopping today class.